Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Curbside deals over at Walgreens for the week of March the 8th to the 14th. And there are some freebies and some cheapies and some great deals and magic in this video, so I'm pretty excited by this. What a curbside deal means is you're ordering this stuff through the app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, putting in your order, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Because some of these deals deal with IBOTTA, you're going to have to ask for a receipt, so you have to go in store physically. And they have to process your transaction through a regular cash register. And if your store cannot provide you receipts, pass on those deals. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that wants to be in store with the register rewards and all of that fun stuff, watch yesterday's video linked at the very end. Whole bunch of different transactions and deals and a lot of stuff with register rewards, so you might want to check that out. And there's lots of different sales, especially with razors. If you don't like the deals that I have curated in this video, you can always choose something else. And there are these discount codes: 15% off of a 35 with MARCH14 and 20% off of a 50 with MARCH20. Extra savings, which is always nice to see. Let's get right into it with deal number one. For this one, you need This Friend Loaded, which is a 10 back when you spend 25 on beauty items, and we're getting a whole bunch of those in this transaction. Along with that, some of you might have a 7 back when you spend 25. These two are in fact stacking, so you're going to get $17 back on your $25 purchase right there, which is absolutely fantastic. So the first couple items that we're going to grab is a CoverGirl eye and face product. So we're going to grab one of these eye quads for $7.49, and we're also going to grab a blush, a little bit more expensive, which is your face product, for $12.99. Alternatively, if you wanted to get like a primer or a powder, you can also do that, or a bronzer, like anything to go on the face. No coupons to go with these items. IBOTTA is giving back $3 for each, and Walgreens is the store. Double, triple check that you have these rebates, and they are both a limit of one time. If you have not signed up for IBOTTA, use my referral code in the notes, and when you submit your first qualifying receipt, maybe this, you're given an extra $5. And to let you guys know too, you need a receipt. So when you go to the cashier, you're going to have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register, so you get that physical receipt for IBOTTA. Okay, and we're also going to toss in one of these Aveeno lotions for $6.99, and we have a $3 digital to load for that friend. And it's part of beauty, this lotion, which is always nice to see. And remember, for CoverGirl, we don't have any coupons to go with those, so that kind of stinks. But $3, and then using the code WAG10, an additional $2.45 melting off. And it should be buy one, get one 50% off, but that blush is not ringing up at 50% off. If it possibly is for you, augment the math to make sure that your basket is at least $25. But for me, it was $27.47, subtracting $2.45, it's $25.02. So I am there for the spend 25 to earn back 10, and then for my booster to earn back 7. The $3 coupon's coming off, so with my debit card, I'm paying $23.52. And do not use Walgreens cash. I'm getting back 17, 10 for beauty, and then 7 for the basket, with an additional $6 back from IBOTTA after I photograph my receipt. It basically makes it free, which is absolutely fantastic. Number 2, anyone can participate in this one. It is to grab one of these really large Persil for $13.99, and we have a $3 digital coupon, making it $10.99, and we have some IBOTTA money as well. This is $4.99. We have a $1 digital, and then I think another $1 back from IBOTTA, which is also fantastic. Over on IBOTTA, you're going to have to go to that any grocery store, because Walgreens is conveniently cut out of the mix in this. But if you apply through the any grocery store, you can still get your rebates that way. And this is with the IBOTTA app. As you can see, there's a gorgeous $3 and $1.50 back. So you have to make sure those are there in any store, and you're getting back $4.50, which is absolutely tremendous. And you're going to have to get a receipt, so you'll have to ask the cashier to process it through a register for you, so you get that physical receipt. And then just to show you, using the code WAG10, we're saving an additional $1.50, and our $4 are coming off there. The $3 for the Persil and the $1 for the all, so that's nothing to sneeze at right there. And the overall total here is $18.98. WAG10 taking $1.50 off. $4 also melting off, so $14.53. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. You're going to pay $4.50, and then you're getting $4.50 back. So not a bad little thing for a giant Persil and a really nice all. So a great basket. Okay, so this next basket, again, anyone can participate, even if you don't have boosters. We're going to be throwing in 2 of these deodorants at $7.49 on a buy one, get one 50% off. And we have a 7 off of 2, so that's like another buy one. That's actually like almost like a buy one, get one free. So I'm not complaining about that. But 2 of these is $11.23, and make sure your coupon's loaded. And if you didn't use the 5 off of 2, make sure you have that coupon loaded, and you're grabbing 2 of these guys for $5.99 each. Buy one, get one 50% off for $8.98. So this is a really heavy Axe basket. To get the math to balance, to use a bit of Walgreens cash, we're also going to throw in one of these Walgreens products for $1.88. You can grab the toilet paper, you can grab a cleaner, you can grab this. I always like disinfectant wipes. I really have the suspicion that this is made in the same factory as Clorox or Lysol. So just to show you the 7 coming off for Axe, the $5, and then using the code WAG10, an additional 101 melting off. So that is nothing to sneeze at. I'm very happy about that. And then the overall total for this basket is $22.09, 101 with WAG10 melting off, $12 in digital coupons also melting off. So $10.34. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay 34 cents and call this a very smart basket. Final deal that we have is deal number 4, and for this one you're going to need these 2 boosters, the 7 back when you spend $25, which is of a one-time use, and a 4 back when you buy 2 P&G dental care products. This is kind of a hodgepodge and a mixy match of just general merchandise. And yeah, it's kind of a funny one. So we're going to throw in 2 of the Crest toothpaste for $10. And we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. I could not find that coupon yesterday when I was putting together my video, but it's still in the app somewhere. We're going to grab 3 of these sandwich bags. Check this out. That's 150 of the fold plastic bags. Remember those old-fashioned ones? That's a lot. I don't know if they made a mistake or not, but usually the 150 counts are not included. They don't have that seal that's automatic. It's like a little fold thing, like from the 80s. So this is an interesting one. We're also going to throw in 3 of these Kellogg's Frosted Flakes for $5.29. Buy 1, get 2 for free promotion, which is always nice to see. And then we're also going to throw in 2 pizzas that are also buy 1, get 1 free. And it's the DiGiorno, so if you like those, why not? This is one I would ask the cashier for a receipt in case DiGiorno or Crest or one of those has like a rebate on IBOTTA later in the week. But you can see that $4 coupon is melting off for the toothpaste, which is not bad. So our total couldn't get WAG10 to apply either. $26.07, subtracting the 4, you're going to pay $22.84 with your debit card, and you're getting back 11, 4 for Crest, and 7 for spending $25 over at Walgreens. So not a bad basket. Get out and go and make some of these deals happen, guys. And if you want to watch yesterday's in-store video, watch the video linked right here. Thank you so much, guys.